Welcome back to our channel, fellow foodies and kitchen gadget enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting and informative video for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of kitchen appliances, specifically focusing on the best electric pressure cooker air fryer combos available in Canada for the year 2023. These versatile multifunctional appliances have taken the culinary world by storm, revolutionizing the way we cook, save time, and even promote healthier eating. So grab your notepads because we're about to explore some fantastic options. First up on our list is the Ninja OL701 FD401C Smart XL, and boy, does it live up to its name. This culinary powerhouse offers an impressive array of cooking functions, ranging from pressure cooking and air frying to steam crisping. What sets it apart is its innovative smart lid slider, which unlocks 3 cooking modes and a staggering 14 cooking functions, all under one lid. But wait, there's more. The Ninja OL701 also comes equipped with SteamCrisping technology, allowing you to steam and crisp simultaneously for faster, juicier, and crispier results, all without drying out your food. And if you're tired of the guesswork in cooking, fear not. The Foodie Smart Thermometer ensures precise results with just a touch of a button. With its Smart Cook system, featuring for smart protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, you can achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done. No more overcooking or undercooking. Additionally, the hands-free steam release and deluxe reversible rack for double cooking capacity or multitasking make this appliance a dream come true for culinary enthusiasts. With 14 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, steam and crisp, steam and bake, air fry, and many more, the Ninja OL701 provides endless culinary possibilities. It comes with a comprehensive package, including the 1760-watt unit with smart lid, Foodie Smart Thermometer, an 8QT cooking pot, a 5QT cook and crisp basket, a deluxe reversible rack, and a chef-inspired cookbook with over 45 recipes. Now, let's shift our focus to the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1. This multi-talented kitchen appliance is a true all-in-one wonder, replacing a whopping 11 kitchen gadgets, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and air fryer. With its 2 interchangeable lids, it seamlessly transitions between pressure cooking, air frying, and more. What truly sets it apart is its EvenCrisp technology, which delivers the delightful crunch and tenderness of deep frying with a remarkable 95% less oil. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp is designed for larger families, boasting an 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for those who enjoy cooking for a crowd. It also comes with a free app loaded with over 800 recipes, ensuring that your culinary journey is as diverse as your taste buds. Next in line is the Ninja FD401C Foodie 12-in-1 Deluxe XL. This deluxe pressure cooker is truly a game changer in the kitchen. Its 8QT cooking pot and 5QT cook and crisp basket provide ample space for cooking and air frying delightful treats and meals. The secret to its magic lies in its TenderCrisp technology, which allows you to swiftly go from frozen to crispy in as little as 20 minutes. The deluxe reversible rack is a handy feature that lets you steam, broil, or tender crisp up to 8 chicken breasts at once, making it a time-saving marvel. The ceramic-coated pot and non-stick cook and crisp basket are easy to clean, and with 12 functions, including pressure cook, air fry, steam, and more, your culinary horizons will expand exponentially. Safety is paramount, and this appliance boasts 14 safety features, ensuring peace of mind in the kitchen. The Ninja FD401C Deluxe package includes the 1760-watt unit, crisping lid, pressure lid, 8QT, ceramic-coated pot, 5QT, ceramic-coated cook and crisp basket, a stainless steel deluxe reversible rack, and a chef-inspired cookbook with over 45 recipes. Now, let's explore the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Large 6QT. This kitchen marvel comes from the makers of the best-selling Duo series and combines 11 functions into one compact package. It offers the incredible EvenCrisp technology, ensuring that you can enjoy the perfect crunch and tenderness of deep frying with significantly less oil. Whether you're looking to pressure cook one-pot meals up to 70% faster or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp can do it all. With 15 built-in smart programs, you can prepare a wide variety of dishes with just a press of a button. It's designed for families of up to 6 people, making it ideal for growing households or meal prepping. Cleaning up is a breeze, thanks to its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety is paramount, with over 10 safety features and overheat protection, ensuring you can cook with confidence. Last but certainly not least, we have the Crock-pot SCCPPA800-V1 Express Crisp. This all-in-one appliance offers a plethora of cooking options, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, browning, sautéing, steaming, and now, it adds a crispy finish with its removable crisping lid. Do you crave your favorite deep-fried foods? Well, the crisping lid can also air fry, providing crispy, crunchy bites with a remarkable 99.5% less oil compared to traditional deep fryers. The convenience of one-touch meal settings and manual pressure settings lets you customize recipes to your heart's content. And the airtight locking lid ensures safety while cooking. It's a time-saving kitchen companion that can make healthy meals in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional cooking methods. To wrap things up, choosing the best electric pressure cooker air fryer combo in Canada for 2023 depends on your specific needs and culinary aspirations. Whether you're looking for a larger cooking capacity, advanced cooking technology, or additional features like a recipe app, there's an option that aligns perfectly with your requirements. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey today. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen appliance reviews, cooking tips, and delicious recipes. If you've had experience with any of these products, or have any questions, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking, and we'll see you in our next video.